B&B Auto Sales, out driving our 70 Chevy K10. Said if you need a working project for this fall and winter, this is a factory 350 automatic with air truck. So pretty solid truck from western South Dakota. Runs and drives, as you can see. Oh, speedometer doesn't work. You can't see the gas gauge works. We'll turn around here and I'll go through the shifts for you so you can see the tranny shifts. But steering works nice. We put a master cylinder on it, so this is a truck that's pretty solid truck, and will be one that basically going to need some body work. Obviously going to need some interior work too, but this would be a nice thing being an automatic air truck. It's a nice one to start on a restoration. So, whoops. She's so cold-blooded that there's no choke hooked up right now. Sure, first to second. Questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.